beautiful people, this is the Sugar Lala, and today we're gonna be on a nature walk. And guys, before we start, I'd like to plead with each and every one of you to kindly like, share, subscribe, get notified every time I post my video online, guys. Yeah. And thank you for those who have always been supporting me, guys. For those who are new here, welcome. This is Sugar Lala. So guys, as I said, like, the nature is so beautiful. This is something that will never ever lie to you, because it's something that presents itself the way it is. It is something that presents itself the way it was created. I don't know if somebody's getting it, but guys, believe me, nature is something that is so beautiful, and trust me, nobody would want to miss this playground while growing up. While growing up, we would go and play with our peers. And guys, you know what? I think next time I'm taking you all the way to your couch for you to have that beautiful view that you've always wanted to see. The mountain, the lake, the rivers, the rocky land. It's just so beautiful, guys. So subscribe for you to get more videos. Like, share, subscribe. Otherwise, have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. Bye bye.